land, building, motor vehicle, office equipment, machinery, like that property, plant and equipment available, all the business organization. In accounting, we are going to provide information. Therefore, if it is given disposal, think about property, plant and equipment available in the business. If those are sold during the account period, you have to know how to disclose on the financial statement. If it has given disposal, normally there are 5 steps should be applied. First one, cost value of disposal asset and disposal value, accumulated depreciation of disposal assets, and disposal profit and loss should be calculated, as well as annual depreciation should be calculated. 5 steps should be applied. Right, those part I have discussed already, part 1. Now think about this example. It has given trial balance 31st March 20. This is our accounting periods. End of the year 31st March 20. This is a financial account. We have to provide information annually. Then debit side available motor vehicle 130,000 and given accumulated depreciation 1st April 19. Think about it. This is the beginning of the year. Opening balance is given. It means annual depreciation has not been recorded yet. Then in the additional information it is given motor vehicle which had been acquired for 40,000 on 1st April 17. Think about our accounting period started 1st April 19. Therefore, this asset not purchased during the accounting period. It had been purchased, acquired on 40,000, was sold for 17,000 on 1st January 2020. This is the important thing. Disposal date is relevant for this financial year, but purchase date is not relevant for this financial year. It had been purchased on 1st April 2017. At that time, cash account credit, motor vehicle account debited. Therefore, here, under 130,000 included that asset also. But disposal date is given during the account period. This is the disposal value. No entry has been recorded. It has given depreciation rate is given 20% straight line basis. There's relevant ledger account for the year end 31st March 20. Think about disposal. It cost value, disposal value, and purchase date and disposal date relevant for accumulated depreciation calculation. There's ledger accounts. Normally you have to prepare motor vehicle accounts and cash accounts, depreciation expense accounts, as well as accumulated depreciation accounts and disposal accounts. Effect for motor vehicle and for calculate profit and loss you have to prepare disposal accounts as well as motor vehicle depreciation expense and accumulated depreciation of motor vehicle as well as cash. Disposal value effect for cash. That first one, take the balances available in the trial balance. Motor vehicle it is given 130,000 and accumulated depreciation 56,000. Therefore, motor vehicle account debit side as a balance brought forward 156,000. Cost value and accumulated depreciation is given. Cost value equal 130,000. Cost value 130. And accumulated depreciation is given 56,000. Credit side as a brought forward. Credit side. First one, take the balances. Then think about steps. First one, cost value of disposal is at 40,000. Effect for motor vehicle decreased. Therefore, disposal account credit 40,000 and disposal account debit. That is step number 1. Cost value of disposal asset. And second one, disposal value is given 17,000. It is effect for cash increase. Therefore, cash account debit 17,000 and disposal account credit. All the transactions relevant for disposal should be recorded to the disposal accounts. Then third step important, you have to calculate accumulated depreciation. This is the purchase date and this is the disposal date. This is the cost value. Annual rate is given 20%. Total depreciation should be calculated from purchase date to disposal date. And this is the way you have to calculate accumulated depreciation of disposal asset as at the disposal date. Think about disposal date is given 1st January 2020. and purchase date is given 1st April 2017. First one, try to recognize how many years use. It can be calculated disposal date minus purchase date. Therefore, think about disposal date and purchase date. Therefore, can be recognized how many years use. 1 minus 1, 0. But here 1 minus 4 cannot be deducted. Therefore, take 1 from here. Here available years. Years mean 12 months. Therefore, take 1 from here. It is equal to 12. Here years. Here month. Therefore, 12 plus 1 equal 13. This 12 plus 1 equal 13. Minus 4 equal 9. Now here available 19 minus 17 equal 2. Therefore, disposal asset available from purchase date to disposal date 2 years and 9 month period. Cost value equal 40,000. Annual rate is given 20%. But it has used from purchase date to disposal date 2 years and 9 month period. Therefore, this is the accumulated depreciation of disposal asset from purchase date to disposal date. That value should be removed from accumulated depreciation to disposal accounts. And disposal account credit 22,000 as an accumulated depreciation. Name of other debt accounts. Now, by closing disposal accounts can be calculated profit and loss. Now think about increase side. Here total value equal 39,000. Here total value equal 40,000. Therefore, this side debit side increase, take that value and take other side. Then difference value as a profit and loss. If difference value available credit side, that is a loss. Therefore, this is the disposal loss. That value should be included other expense any organization in the income statement. Try to recognize how to disclose and how to calculate. First one cost value, second one disposal value, third one accumulated depreciation, and fourth one profit and loss. If difference value available debit side, those are profit, but if difference value is available credit side, that is a loss. Disposal loss. Then last steps, you have to calculate annual depreciation based on matching concepts. All the motor vehicle are not disposal. And disposal asset also available during the current period up to disposal date. Therefore, you have to calculate annual depreciation. What is the theory? First one, try to recognize how many months available each asset during the accounting period. This is our accounting period, end of the 31st March 20 and begin of the 1st April 19. Disposal date is given 1st January 20. Therefore, disposal asset available up to disposal date. It is not available entire year. Therefore, when calculating annual depreciation, you have to recognize how many months available. If asset use should be depreciated. Therefore, disposal asset available during the accounting period only 9 months now. From 1st April 19 to 1st January 2020. This is the disposal date. Then total motor vehicle is given trial balance 130,000. Total motor vehicle available 130,000 and 40,000 disposal. Think about disposal asset available 9 month periods. Therefore, total 130 divided by 2 part, disposal asset equals to 40,000. Then 130 minus 40 equal 90. Balance part is not disposal. It is available entire year. But disposal asset available only 9 month periods. Therefore, this is the way you have to calculate annual depreciation. Based on cost value of disposal asset, 20% annual, but it has available 9 month period. Therefore, here value equal 6,000. And balance part is not disposal, it has available entire year. Value equal 18,000. Therefore, total depreciation equal 24,000. Think how to calculate. Think how to recognize how many months available. Then total depreciation, that is expense, depreciation expense account debit, and accumulated depreciation account credit. Therefore, annual depreciation equal to 24,000. Accumulated depreciation account credit 24,000 as a depreciation expense. Think about 5 steps should be applied. Think how to records. Then think about motor vehicle is assets. Therefore, balance should be carried down. Debit side increase, take total amount debit side and take that value credit side. Difference will be equal 90,000. Difference will 90,000. Here balance carry down and balance brought forward debit side. And motor vehicle disposal account already completed. Disposal profit and loss calculated already. But motor vehicle depreciation expense is expense account. Therefore, all the income and expense should be closed, not carried down. Therefore, difference value as a profit and loss. As a profit and loss. Think about difference value. That value should be included under distribution expense. Distribution. Think how to disclose on the financial statement also. Then accumulated depreciation is asset. Therefore, balance should be carried down. Take credit side total amount equal 80,000 and take the debit side difference value equal 58,000. That value balance carried down from debit side to credit side. Think how to disclose also and cash normal asset accounts. Therefore, when we are going to disclose on the financial statement under non-current asset as a cost motor vehicle, in the motor vehicle 90,000. As accumulated depreciation here closing balance 58,000. And annual depreciation should be included under distribution expense. And disposal loss available, that value should be included other expense. Think about steps. Disposal adjustment. Try to recognize how to calculate accumulated depreciation, annual depreciation, disposal profit and loss. In accounting, we are going to provide information. All the business available, those kind of assets. If those are sold during the accounting period, you have to know how to adjust. Think about depreciation method is given straight line basis. Think about steps as well as think how to record on the ledger accounts as well as how to disclose on the financial statement. Think about steps also and think how to calculate accumulated depreciation. How to recognize how many years use. Then when calculating annual depreciation, this is the theory. Recognize accounting period, then mark the disposal date. Try to recognize how many months available. Annual depreciation. Disposal adjustment important.